Okay, so you are gonna see me making dinner with eggs. That is only because I need to use up all the eggs today or they're gonna go bad. But anyways, right here I have 2 eggs, 1 egg white, and then I just mixed it with pepper. And as you can see, I'm trying to create an omelet here. And I add the spinach and the fat-free cheese and then chipotle hot sauce. And of course, a lot more pepper because I love pepper. And I just fold it. I think I do pretty good with omelets. I mean, they don't look legit, but I mean, it looks okay and it tastes delicious. So anyways, I just add a little bit more cheese on top, let it melt, and then some more Cholula sauce. And I've got a delicious spinach and cheese omelet and my Starbucks coffee, which is an iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha, and of course some oranges because I love oranges. Yes. As if those oranges were not enough, I actually decided to peel the oranges and put them in the pot to kind of create that, you know, at-home scent. And I just added cinnamon and put that in for a while. So now I'm moving on to lunch. This is just a little recap of me making the lunch if you guys are interested in how I made this. This was from a previous video. I'll link it down below, but it's a chili bake and it is so good. Chili bubble up. It's so good. And then I had grapes for snack again. I have grapes almost every single day. The ones from Target are the best. They're so big and plump. I love them. For dinner, I had some baked potatoes that I made in the crock pot, and I added some eggs. I told you there's gonna be another egg recipe. And I got a Morningstar sausage, and I crumbled that up, put it on top, and had some fat-free cheese on that. And usually I would put like Tapatio or something on it, but this time I didn't. And I had another Starbucks. My husband brought it home to me, and I was like, thank you. You are the best. Anyways, I just wanted to show you, I made my son a little sandwich there. He's obsessed with snowman right now. And dessert is bananas with some halo top cookie dough ice cream, and yeah, I just layered it and I came up with that, and it was so good, and only 3 smart points. So yeah, that was my what I ate today video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next one. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.